name is Anna.
Hello friends, my name is Erin.
Welcome to our GS Fittings live streaming. We GS Fittings have cooperated with many Gulf countries such as Dubai, Oman, and Saudi Arabia and other countries. So we have accumulated many rich experience. Today we will share with all of you.
Yeah, welcome to our live streaming, and during our talking, any email, inquiry, demand, you can send email to us, and our email address is inquiry@gsfitting.com, and WhatsApp and WeChat, you can add us and visit our website to learn more about GS Fittings.
Yes. Oh, Erin, I know you have many clients from Gulf countries, so what products do they buy?
My clients buy many kinds of products, mainly for pipe fittings and flange, also for pipes.
Oh.
I will introduce
Okay.
pipe fittings first to you and the clients. Okay, this one is elbow. It's like our body elbow.
Oh, so interesting.
It can change
Yeah.
the direction for a pipe. This one and this one.
Okay, so we can see this is an elbow, and it is a long radius elbow.
Yeah.
It's black painting.
Yeah, and they also buy T. T is like our English alphabet T. Yeah, it's very like a T, so we call
Yes.
it T.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is T.
You can see the T. This is main pipe connect. This is branch pipe connect. The
Yeah.
flow will go into this side, and it can get out from this side, and it can also from this side.
So this side is smaller diameter than this two one.
Yes.
Also can be same diameter with these three size diameter, right?
Yes. When this one is smaller than the bottom and the upside, we will call it reducing T. And when the branch side is equal to the upside and the bottom side, we will call them equal T.
Wow, interesting.
Yes.
Okay, they also buy caps. It's like our wear a cap.
Yes.
So it's called cap. This one is cap.
Yes, the cap will be placed in the end of the pipes. For example, this is a pipe. We will place.
Oh. Seal.
Yeah, it will close the pipes.
At the end of the pipe. Okay. And they also buy reducer. This product is reducer.
Yes, reducer. We can see the upside is more and the bottom side is larger.
Yeah. For flange, they buy bland flange, WN flange, and SO flange. And this one is WN flange they buy.
Yes. What is WN flanges? We call it welding neck flanges. You can see the neck.
Yes.
Yes, neck.
Long neck.
Yeah. No. Long neck flanges is on
Neither side. Yes.
Yes. And the ceiling face is a razor face.
Yeah. And this one is blank flange.
Yes, blank flanges. You can see it seems like a plate.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like
There's no hole. Yeah.
Yeah. And this one is SO flange. Also, this flange by mostly this kind of flange.
Yes, this is most kind of flanges. You can see the wrist here. It is not a neck.
Yeah. And for some class project order also have some forged fittings. I will show you some products. Like this one is weld light. This one.
Weld light.
Yeah.
Weld light.
And this one also forged fittings,
one.
and this one.
Forged elbows.
Yes. Yeah. These are all our class
So many
products.
kinds of products.
Yeah.
So they are in different standards.
Yeah, there are many standards for the pipe fittings. Have ASME standard,
Yes.
DIN standard,
Yeah.
and GHOST standard, also GIS standard. Many standards just depend on client's demand.
Different price
The blank painting price is a little higher than the anti-rust oil.
Why?
Because the blank painting is very smoothly and the cost a little higher than anti-rust. The cost also for blank painting it's not easily peel off. The painting is not easily peel off.
Mainly better anti-corrosion than the anti-rust oil, right?
Yeah, you're right.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, what's the final usage for the products?
There are many usage for our pipe fitting and flange.
Yes.
Some buyers buy it for stock list and resale, and some clients buy it for project. For project, there are HVAC system installation for boiler factory and for power station, some for water project and oil and gas pipe connect. All can widely use our product connect.
Oh, Ari, you know a lot. I think you must know from your customer, right?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. You have won so many orders. So, what do you think is the most important factors to help you win the orders?
There are many factors can affect the order. Firstly, I think it's the price and the quality.
Yes, price is very important.
Yes.
And we GS Fittings have tried our best to give you the most reasonable price. And I also think the quality is the most important because quality is the foundation of the company, which to get big development, right?
Yeah, right. And the second factor for the order, I think, is the package, a good package.
Yes. Hi friends, you can see the picture is the plywood cases. Because for the package there are two kinds of package. One is plywood cases and another is pallets.
Yeah.
And the plywood cases is just generally for the smaller size fittings.
Yes. Smaller. So the plywood cases package is mainly for small diameter fittings and flange.
Yes.
For big diameter, we will use
the pallets.
Pallets.
Yes.
Okay, pallets.
And you just see the plywood cases. Plywood cases.
Yeah.
And inside it, we will, such as flanges, we will place the plastic film between the flanges to avoid the peel of the painting.
Yeah.
And one case, what was that?
I don't know.
It's desiccants.
Yeah.
So we will place some desiccants into the plywood cases. The goods will ship on the sea for 1 month, 2 months, even 3 months.
Yeah.
So long time. So on the sea, the goods will in a white environment, right?
Yeah.
So the flanges or the fittings will getting rust very easily.
Yeah. Very carefully.
Yeah.
Package.
The desiccants will make the fittings of flanges avoid getting rust.
Great.
Yeah.
The desiccant package let me thought of a friend customer, and they buy the flange, and when he received it's raining when they loading the goods.
Sounds bad environment.
Yeah,
in his
but
country.
he told me he left our flange on their warehouse, and the sky and the rain all left the flange, but no rust. He tell me 1 week no rust about our flange.
Our products is very good.
Yeah, of course, it's a real story.
Yeah. So how about Mark?
Okay, about Mark, many our company have 2 way. I will show you. Okay, and we can see this T have 2 kinds of marking. One is stamp marking. Can you see? Stamp marking. It's use our stamp machine make the letter, stamp the letter onto the body of the fitting. So it's stamp marking. And this side is a painting marking. It's used painting on the body of the tea. So clients can choose these two marking way, and you like which one like. Most clients choose this one. It's stamp marking. Yeah, stamp marking.
Oh. So which is more expensive?
This one, the painting marking is much expensive than the stamp marking. Yes.
So for common projects, stamp marking is enough.
Yes, you're right.
Yes. So what do you think is the most our factory the best advantage?
Yeah, except about our talking factors, I think the most important is the delivery.
Yes, delivery time is very important for customers.
Yeah, our best advantage is fastest and shortest delivery for clients. You know, some clients order our projects and they demand fastest and very shortest production time. So we can save time to help them save time to get when the order.
Yes.
Do you
So
know
why does our delivery time so fast, so shortest?
Yeah, we have an automatic painting machine.
Yes.
Yeah, not all the factory have this automatic machine. In Changzhou, you know, it's the base of the pipe and the pipe fitting, and we only very few factory have this automatic painting machine system.
They are very great.
Yeah, of course. So our painting machine can let me show a photo to our friends.
Okay.
And this flange painting system is our automatic machine. Yeah, and we can see the flange enter into the painting tank, and win it out and dry directly. And then we can package the fittings to the plywood case or the pallet directly. No need to wait some days, no need. So it can save many time.
Okay. How long?
This
painting line?
Yeah, it's about 100 long for this automatic painting machine.
100.
Yeah.
Whoa, so long.
Yeah, so we can receive many orders and not delay your order. Yeah.
So what about the service? Service is very important also, right?
Yeah, the last and most important, I think, is the service. A good service is a must for clients, and when customers buy goods from us and they treat us as our best friend and they trust us, so we must stand in buyer's shoes to consider all questions and like it ourselves buy the goods. Yeah, so we, from the inquiry to the production to packing, all steps our factory give responsible and very strictly steps. Buyer from us, clients don't worry painting very smoothly. We can feel very smoothly painting. No need to worry thickness, guarantee each thickness. No need to worry the delivery delay. No worry. Also very deeper marking, very clearly marking. No need to worry. So all this satisfactory make clients trust us, and they say we give them 100% satisfied for the product.
Well, very special as a team. So why not inquire us?
Yeah.
So when you have inquiries in carbon steel fittings or flanges, please email us inquiry@jsfittings.com, or you can contact us via WhatsApp and WeChat. We are always online.
Yeah, please.
So today we have learned more about pipe fittings, and hope your friends like our live streaming.
See you.
Bye bye. Very well done.
Well done, Ella.